Inaanak Jerente, happy birthday! At nawa, happy ka ngayong araw na to sa iyong kaarawan. At meron kaming hinandang munting sorpresa para sa iyo. At eto na, panoorin mo.
Good morning everyone. Ayan, may nagmarites sa akin. Meron daw nagbe-birthday ngayon sa Team Canada. At yan, si Jerry and Faye. Yes! Happy birthday, Jerry and Faye! Yeah, wish you all the best. Good health, good life. At sana hindi ka magbago sa amin ni Sis Doris. At salamat sa love and support mo sa amin palagi. And promise that na andito lang kami palagi ni Sis Doris for you and to the Team Canada. Ayan. Sana laging masaya, chill lang, enjoy with the family, and have a wonderful day. Have a blast. God bless.
Hello, magandang araw sa iyo, Kuya Jerry and Faye Vlog. Specifically to you, Kuya Jerry. It's your birthday today. I'm praying for you that everything will be fine and the Lord will bless you and keep you in every aspects of your life. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Hey. Hi, Boss Jerry. Hello. Kumusta? So, Banu TV. Batiin lang kita, boss. Nang happy birthday mo pala ngayon. So, yun. Sana'y napakarami pa ang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. So, sobrang init. Grabe. Oh, yung mga tropa dito napabati sa'yo. But anyway, boss, thank you and God bless sa'yo, no? Wish you good health. Mag-iingat palagi sa trabaho. Pag makalimot, magdasal. So yun lang naman talaga yung ating weapon, no? To conquer all the trials in life. So shout out Team Canada. Yun, uulitin ko. Yan, welcome to my vlog. Uulitin ko, happy na birthday mo pa. Maraming salamat Team Canada. Shout out, mag-ingat kayong lahat. Peace.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nais ko pong bumati ng happy birthday sa aking kasamahan na si Jerry, aka Jerry and Faye. Siya ay mag-celebrate ng birthday niya ngayon at sana mag-enjoy ka sa celebration mo kasama ang iyong pamilya. Then good health, more years to celebrate, at sana happy ka sa araw na to. So muli, happy birthday sa iyo, Bossing Jerry, and more years to celebrate again. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kuya Jerry. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and wish ko sana matupad na lahat ng pangarap mo and good health to you. At nagpapasalamat nga pala ako dahil lagi kang nandyan para sumuporta and malaki nga pala na itulong mo sa akin. Salamat na marami sa iyo. Hindi dahil sa iyo, wala ako sa work ko ngayon. So, yun, salamat na marami. And pati sa YouTube, natulungan mo rin ako. Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, siguro huminto na ako sa pag-YouTube. So, yun. So, salamat na marami, kuya. And happy birthday ulit.
Yay! Happy birthday, Sir Jerry. Sana magustuhan mo tong kantang to. Spend my nights out in a barroom. Liquor, wine me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. Happy birthday, Jerry and Pebbles. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And Sir Jerry and Pebbles, stay stoned all your life. Happy birthday, Jerry and Pebbles. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Happy birthday, Sir Jerry and Pebbles. All right, happy birthday, Sir Jerry, and wish you all the best and good health, and may you have more birthdays to come. Thank you.
Sana nagustuhan mo yung aming sorpresa sa'yo at sana happy ka today. Your first birthday in YouTube, no? So, mahal ka namin. Kaming mga kaibigan mo dito sa YouTube ay nagpapasalamat na maging kaibigan kasi napakabuti ng puso mo at napaka-supportive mo. Again, I wish you all the best, good health, long life, and success with your family and happiness from deep within. We love you and we care for you. Happy birthday, Jerry and Pe!